is Tanya and welcome back to my channel, period. So I do have another human hair wig review for you guys. This is by a company on Amazon called JYZ Hair, and oops, here's the box that it comes in. They also sent me goodies like lashes, stocking caps. It also came with a band that you can put inside the wig so that it could be worn glueless. But yeah, let's take a look at the wig. So it's this bright red. It's 24 inches stretched, and it's a 13x4 parting space. It's also 180 density. It comes with a comb behind the lace, 3 combs behind the lace in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps, the adjustable like bra straps. But this is what she looks like. Really pretty. The hairline, the knots are really small. The knots are really small. And I am going to go in and pluck it a bit just because I like it to be like really natural. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to pluck it. I'm going to come back and I'm going to install it with you guys so you can get a feel about what it looks like, okay? Don't forget to, this video is probably going to go up before it's over. But I do have a Black Friday sale going on my 1111 Beauty website, so check that out. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like content like this, and hit the notification bell. Gotta hit that bell because you won't be notified when I upload new content. So if you want to be notified, hit that bell. I'll be right back with the install. So I wanted to share this install because I do my installs differently now. I no longer use the wig glue, and I'll tell you why. But just right now, I'm basically cutting the lace. I always cut the lace first. I don't like applying the glue or spray adhesive, or lace adhesive spray, and then cutting the lace. It just doesn't make sense to me. I like to cut the lace first, see how it looks glueless, and then set it. I only use lace adhesive spray now. This one is by Kiss Colors and Care. There's other brands out there, of course. I do this because I do not feel like it is safe for your skin to use glue and keep your wig glued down for days or weeks at a time. Reason being, every time I would lay my lace down with glue, I would always get like pimples. That means that your skin, it cannot breathe, and it has dirt and oil buildup. So when you get pimples, it's like that. Also, if you notice, and it happens whether it's summer or winter, your hair will, your skin will have, it'd be lighter than the rest of your face once you take your wig off from like after a week or so. That's not a good sign either. So I urge everybody to not wear your wigs for that long. Also, it's just more convenient. Look at how easy. I just do it in 3 sections. Blow it with the blow dryer and set it. It's super easy. This whole process should not take longer than 10 minutes of your day. If you want to apply it again every day, it should not take long. But yeah. And what else does I want to say? Oh yeah, so it's easier to clean the lace off with the wig spray or the adhesive spray than it is with the actual glue as well. After I set it the first time, after I sprayed the spray on my skin and set it, I then take my finger and tap some more onto the lace to like make sure that the edges of the lace are secured onto my skin. But this has been my method that I've been using for a while now. And also it gives you time to take care of your natural hair. Because how are you taking care of your natural hair and it's been sitting under a wig for days at a time? You're not able to moisturize it, oil it, take care of your scalp. You're just not, okay? So this method is just better for me because I still have my hair. It's long. It's still thriving. It's thinner because I'm older, but it is what it is, you know? After you tap the adhesive spray on your lace and melt that, you're going to put a lace melting band as tight as you can, and then leave that on for at least 15 minutes. Then you're going to take I use a bronzer shade, which is like a couple of shades darker than my complexion, or maybe like one shade darker than my complexion, and tap that on the lace to get it to blend flawlessly into your skin. And then I take some wig melting spray. This is by Eben. It's their lace melting spray. I spray that on, dry it. This is going to make your lace just like melt into your skin. It's going to be so flawless. And you're going to see that in a minute. So I make sure I get the hair out of the way when doing that, because it will stick. It will stay in that. You know, you don't want to have any of the hair. So as you're doing this whole process, make sure there's no random strands of hair in the way. Push them back. And then you're going to blow dry that as well. I didn't say, but this blow dryer has been on the cool setting the whole time. So make sure you use the cool setting the entire time. And then you're going to melt your lace again, or apply the lace melting band again. Okay, this process is flawless. This is how it looks. I did apply my baby hairs after the fact because I just didn't want to take up too much time with this video. But after that, this is the curl pattern just brushed out. Now we're going to wet the hair and reveal the true curl pattern. As you know, when it comes to like curly hair, when you buy curly hair online, they can manipulate it so where the hair looks a certain curl pattern. So I always wet the hair to see what the curl pattern really is going to be after a couple of wears. I did want to mention, guys, doing the lace adhesive, or not, what am I saying? Doing the install with the lace melting adhesive spray, it literally allows you to wear your wigs way more times than you would with any other method. Cutting the lace first allows you to see where the lace would stay if you just chose to wear it glueless. This is technically glueless with the spray as well. And it just allows for a flawless install each time. I don't know, something about cutting the lace after you apply the adhesive or glue, it just doesn't lay it doesn't lay right the next time you try to apply the wig. So I feel like that is for that is a lace glue or lace install method for if you're not going to wear the wig again, like ever. But I am an average American. Like, I don't have money like that to be throwing away. So when I install wigs, I install them multiple times. I install them multiple times until I don't want to wear them anymore, or the lace is balding, and then I throw it away. Okay. I just basically wet the hair and applied some setting mousse, and now I'm plucking the part. The part was a little tight, and you know. Anyway, guys, the link for this wig will be in the description box below. And also any of my socials, so you can follow me on my socials, as well as my beauty brand 1111 Beauty. We're having a Black Friday sale right now, so check that out. Link will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, comment below, and I got you, okay? Also, if you like wig reviews and you're looking for the most affordable wig review, because this wig for this length, the 22-inch, is under $120. It's already dyed and everything for you, so you don't have to do much. This is the final result. I believe it's like 90% dry right here. It didn't really change much once it was 100% dry. So this is what you get. I really like it. Definitely recommend this. It's true 180 density. Yeah, thanks for watching. Again, comment down below if you have any other questions. Love you guys. Mwah.